First of all, this video is only for educational purpose. Now let's begin in the video. In this video, we can show you how can I scrap unlimited lead from any platform for free. You can scrap unlimited email using this method. So I call this method is zigzag email method. You simply need to type in Google site dot. Here you can see the in my screen. This is the thing we need to type. Now I can type again to show you. First of all, we need to type site.facebook.com. Now we need to put comma. Now we can type what thing I need. I need email of. You type anyone, any business, any niches. This can provide you. We can choose. So I simply type dentist. I want to scrap email of dentist. Now you need to type of location. Where can you target? We can target a specific city. So I simply type New York. What type of email I need? I need a Gmail. I simply type @gmail.com, or I need Outlook. I simply type @Outlook, and I also need Yahoo Mail. So I simply type yahoo.com. Now simply type like this, and now hit enter. This is that if you want to scrap a specific email like iCloud, you simply type like this @iCloud.com. You type you want to scrap all mail, type like this. Now I only get around 10 result using this method, but this is the very time consuming method. We only get only 10 email. So this is the this can take around day to scrap. Now I change the dentist to doctor. As you can see, I got around 10 pages by simply changes doctor. So I want to scrap all 10 pages at one time. Simply I got this hack or formula to do this. Simply we need to copy this and go to the end of the URL and simply paste that, and now is equal to 100. Now you can see I got around 100 result at one pages. I simply copy that and open notepad. This is the tool that I can use email extractor.selena.xyz, email extractor.php, and simply paste it. And now click extract email. Now this can give us email. Around we got around 52 email. This can only take around 5 minutes, around 3 minutes to this. Now I can open notepad, or now I can paste all this email here. You can use this notepad. I found this is great one on the internet. You can simply paste this, and now I can continue. Now I repeat this same process. If you want to extract from Instagram, simply change the Facebook to Instagram and just hit enter. Only see around 2 email. So what can I think my Yahoo spelling is wrong. So I search from TikTok. I simply type TikTok. I only got around 2. So I think we simply add word between Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo in the comma. We simply remove Yahoo. My spell is wrong, so I simply remove of Yahoo mail. Now we got around